Hey beautiful ones, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Hermes haul, not something I thought I would be saying in my lifetime, let alone on this channel. If you're new here, I'm Michelle and I like talking about fashion and handbags. So if either of those are your things, please do consider giving me some thumbs up love and clicking the subscribe button. As a very new content creator, your support would mean the world to me. So firstly, when I picked it up from store, the SA did actually offer me one of the white bags to bring it home in, because she knows when I picked up my Picatinny last year, I was quite nervous about bringing it home and getting it on the train. I didn't accept the white bag. Reason being is that I don't know if it's just me and probably you as well, but if you see a white bag, you're like, that's a Hermes quota bag. It may as well just have, I contain an Hermes quota bag written all over it. And I definitely didn't want that because I thought that may make me a bit more of a target. But I went prepared. I took my big old Doc Martens bag with me. I also took my son. He's only 11, so probably not much of a deterrent, but I took him along with me as well because it made me feel a bit better and a bit safer, because at least he could keep an eye on my bag if anybody was approaching. So I will show you what I got. So my lovely SA gave me a couple of samples. She usually does, she's very lovely, of apparently it's a new Hermes fragrance. I quite like it. I did spray it on my son on the way home on the train. He was like, yuck mummy, it's gross. I liked it. So what have I got? I literally have not opened this since I brought it home, which was Wednesday, and I am filming this on Friday. So I'm like, oh, so excited. It'll all be in the packaging, so I'll have to yeah, I'll have to pull it all out and stuff. But what have we got? I will show you my pre-loved piece first. So I bought this on Vinted. Bit of a story actually. So I got a Picatinny from the Hermes store last June. It was this one here, in this gorgeous pink colour, and first time I used that bag was only a couple of weeks ago. So I'm filming this for now at the end of August of 2025, and I took that out a couple of weeks ago when I went to Bicester, and a few reasons for that. The English weather is a bit unpredictable. I'm definitely not taking a Picatinny out in the rain, and I'm a summer tone, seasonal palette colour, whatever, and that is a warm tone, whereas I prefer more cool tone shades. And I think a bit of that and trying to work it within my wardrobe, which is, I do wear quite a lot of blacks, and most of my wardrobe is sort of summer cool tone tones, so it doesn't really work particularly well in my wardrobe. So what I thought I would do is look for a rodeo charm to kind of add a bit more me to it. And ever since I got that in June, I have been looking for a twilly that I wanted for it, and I've been looking for a rodeo charm. I've not been able to actually find either of what I liked on the website. I was really keen to get the Louis Vuitton cherry blossom, what's it called? Is it bandolier? No, it's not bandolier. Bandeau from the Takashi Murakami cherry blossom drop. I wanted it in the pink, and on the UK website it only came in the brown colour. I did contact my Louis Vuitton SA, and he said that they just haven't got them in, but he will keep an eye out for me, which was a shame because I really wanted that. That was quite a nice sort of cool tone pink, and I thought that would look lovely on my Picatinny, but I didn't get that. But I did pick this up instead. Absolute bargain price, to be fair, which was one of the main reasons why I wanted to get it verified. So I will open it now and show you what I got. I literally opened this last night just before bed because I picked it up yesterday. It is a rodeo charm. I I don't know if this has ever been used because the tail on it is still up. And I think, looking at the wings, I don't know if you can see that on the camera very well, I think they may be lizard. It didn't say that they were lizard in the advertisement for it. Well, the advertisement, you know what I mean, on Vinted. But I think they are lizard. If you know in the comments, let me know. I have done a little bit of Googling and I'm quite certain they're lizard. But yeah, to get this, how much did I pay for this? I paid about £250 for this, which, looking on places like Vestair Collective and other places like that, these go for over £1,000, which again was another reason why I wanted to get it double checked. I was certain it was authentic myself, just sort of looking at how sort of the stamping is and how it is and everything like that, but I just wanted to get it double checked. So I thought this would look nice. I haven't actually tried it on and I'm quite excited to. I thought that would look nice on there and sort of add a bit of meanness for when I wear black clothes. So yeah, that is the first piece. I wasn't expecting the tail to be up on it actually. I assumed that it had been used, but obviously not. So yeah, absolute bargain. The second piece that I've got, I did try this on when I got it home and I really like it. Obviously I tried it on when I got in the shop. So this second piece is a bracelet. I just want to show you this, the ribbon on here, because it is so cool. It is, one second, try and get it the right way up. It's like a little, can you see that? If it'll go focused. It's like a little person drawing the lines on it. I think it is like really, really, really cute. I do love the Hermes ribbons, you know. In fact, I love Hermes anyway. It's just kind of a little bit like, it's a bit cheeky. And I like that. So yeah, this is what I got. This is a bracelet. I went for the size 62 because my hands are really, really tiny. And I wanted something that I could wear with these bracelets that I wear all the time. I do have a different colour leather bracelet that I wear in the winter months. But in the summer months, I wear my pink one. So I just wanted something just to add to these. It goes on my wrists quite well. I've only got small hands. I was a bit worried about it flying off. If I lose any weight, it might do. I've only got tiny hands, but thought that looks really pretty. I may possibly wear it on this hand instead, maybe. Haven't fully decided, but I would quite like one of these in black as well. So yeah, I've wanted this for ages. So it's just a bit of a fluke really that the SA contacted me, because I wanted one of these ages, but I didn't want to go all the way to London because I used to work near the Royal Exchange where I got this from. So the Hermes store, the Royal Exchange, it's the smallest Hermes store in the whole world apparently. So that is where my SA is, and I used to work really, really close by, so I literally just used to nip across on my lunch break to see her. But because I don't work there anymore, I can't do that, and I didn't want to go all the way to London for no other reason other than getting a bracelet, especially when I could buy it from the website. But I wanted to buy it from her because she's really nice, and yeah, I just wanted to buy it from her. So I was waiting right since October for her to let me know that she got my bag in stock so I could go and pick it up and get this at the same time. So that is how I've ended up with multiple Hermes things at the same time. So I'm squeaking. If, as I said, if you've watched any more of my videos, you will know full well what this is. I have been waiting since October. Oh, it's all wrapped. This is my first time opening it, as I said, since I've been home. Oh. Sorry, I'm a bit of a... I get very excited. Very, 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 very excited. Cheers, cheers. Can you tell what it is? It's not a mini Kelly. It's not my pink mini Kelly. I really want to wear this, you know, and we're at the end of August now, and I'm like, oh, the weather's going to get crappy again, isn't it? And I'm not going to be able to wear it. I hope that won't be the case, because I'm really... Well, I can't get in it. I can't get in it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Why can't I open a dust bag? guess what it is. It's not that exciting, it really isn't, but it's exciting to me. I'm sure you've seen these countless times, but to me it is exciting, especially when I've waited so long for a black picketing. I've literally waited forever. It feels like I've waited forever for one of these. I waited about 4 or 5 months for my pink one. And then, yeah, since October last year. So we're now August. So 10 months I've waited to get one of these. So I've got the little key. I'm going to have to have a little play, have a fiddle, get her put together. I would have liked this sort of months ago really, so I could have used it for the summer. It feels different than my other one, you know. This one feels quite heavy. I know I've got an insert in it, but the leather on this one feels a bit, I don't know, maybe it's just my imagination. This one just feels a lot more, I don't know, maybe it is just my imagination. Could very well be. So yeah, this is all black. And it's obviously got the palladium lock for it. So I'm going to get this all sorted out now and yeah, pop my little charm on and then I'll be back. So yeah, there it is. It looks really cute. I love it. I thought this would be hard to get off actually. I thought I'd have to kind of squeeze it through, but it went on really easily. I'm going to pop it on my pink bag now. What I did do though is I tried the key for the lock on my pink picketing in the key for my lock on my black, and they fit. So well, yeah, I thought that was quite interesting. I just somehow just assumed that they wouldn't, but they do. So if you lose your lock and key, it may very well be that you can just get a replacement quite easily for them. So I'm just putting my radio charm on my pink bag, because this is where I think it's going to live, to be honest. But I didn't realise it'd be that easy to just pull on and off. I really thought I'd have to squeeze it and didn't want to hurt my charm, but that looks nice. It shows a really weird colour, this pink, on the camera. It does in real life as well, in different lights. It's really different colours. Sometimes it's quite a bright pink, and then other times it's more of a paler Barbie pink. Sometimes I love it, other times I just don't. I'm not too sure why, but I thought I would. I don't want to sell it. Definitely don't want to get rid of it. It took me so long to get this as well, and I love it. So I just thought by adding on the black radio, I'm gonna still keep an eye out for a twilly for it as well, because I think that would just be lovely. The one that I do like, Jessie Star's got a really nice one called Jungle Love, and it's got black on it with some really pretty bright pink hearts, and I really like that, so I thought that would look really cute on here. But yeah, there we are. Take me to Piccadilly's. Honestly, I've loved these bags for the longest time. I'd really like a bright green one as well, and I've loved these bags for so long. I have a thing at the minute about little top handle bags, even though I get a bit scared using them, but I'm so excited. I just feel so, yeah, just, oh. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Sorry about my waffling and my weird excitementness. You'll get used to me. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.